From the depths of the earth, the ore is drawn. With the power of the force, our stories are born.
In the dawn's misty light, embers in light, the hammer goes loudly, thunder skies. There's only guillotine cutting through every strike that you fall, every battle you view. In the workshop, forges always bright, hammer strikes the metal, endless night, crafting with precision, tools made to last, shaping wonder with every foreign love.
The steel is ringing,
Never stand still,
crafting marvel,
with iron will.
metal shaped in glory,
Rock forge anew,
forged in fire.
dreams come true. In the blaze of forgiveness, quiet things unfold. Sparks dancing in the dark as the iron takes hold. Every string a masterpiece, molded by fire. An endless, ever-turning wheel,
Lifting us higher.
through and toil, the guillotine sprays. Target deals in metal,
A story you can trace.
each piece a testament to the craftsman's skill.
In the heart of the forge,
Rims are distant,
in the rhythm of creation,
sparks ignite the room.
a symphony of fire,
Dispels eluding news
of ancient wisdom,
rise to hands in time.
forging a future vision. Forging destiny,
Metal sings its tune,
a blending of strength and artistry.
even moves
The DOT's precision,
sharp and true.
iron forge of passion.
Dreams are true. Never shall arise.
In daylight's embrace,
There's a vibrant and high. Every market trace from the edges of the
a
forge.
masterpiece is flying. Profit with courage, they do the